Welcome to Man Mound National Historic Landmark. Since the acquisition in 1907, the legacy to preserve this sacred site continues through countless efforts we wish to highlight. SCHS and Sauk County Land Resources and Environment partnered to create a 20-year master plan in 2020 to implement thoughtful maintenance and preservation strategies. This includes seeding of the mound for fescue establishment and careful mowing to control weeds, thereby providing respective treatment to the mound. A new series of interpretive panels not only display the significance of Man Mound, but also Indigenous history and the sacred mounds that are located throughout the Wisconsin landscape. Most recently, trees that could potentially cause harm and alter Man Mound have been removed, thereby adding more openness to the area. We invite you to make a trip to Man Mound National Historic Landmark to explore and learn more about the mounds created by the ancestors of Indigenous people.